Finite time does not automatically organize the nervous system. For many, awareness of limits activates anxiety and defensive responses. When regulation capacity is sufficient and threat circuitry is inhibited, finite time can be processed without panic. These responses are not universal. They represent regulated capacity, not default biology. They show what becomes possible when limits are held safely. And so here are 9 nervous system responses to finite time when regulation is high. 1. Attentional prioritization. In regulated states, prefrontal networks narrow attention toward relevant stimuli rather than threat scanning. Focus sharpens because the system can choose instead of react. 2. Goal containment. Bounded time reduces cognitive diffusion when regulation is present. Clarity appears because attention is no longer pulled everywhere. 3. Energy pacing. Regulated systems distribute effort steadily under constraint. Energy is used deliberately rather than driven by fear or salience refinement. Quiet threat circuits allow emotional processing to prioritize meaning over alarm. What matters stands out without urgency. 5. Decision settling. Prefrontal regulation reduces rumination under time limits. Choices feel complete enough to move forward. 6. Present anchoring. Regulated systems stabilize attention in immediate sensory experience. The body stays here because it feels safe. 7. Threat inhibition. High regulation suppresses excessive sympathetic activation under time awareness. Urgency does not automatically become panic. 8. Integration bias. Regulated nervous systems favor synthesizing experience over accumulation. Meaning grows through digestion, not quantity. 9. Completion tolerance. Mature regulation supports closure without destabilizing attachment or identity. Endings occur without collapse. And so we realize these responses are not automatic. They arise when regulation outweighs defense. Finite time alone does not create clarity. Regulation determines the outcome. So we ask ourselves, where does my system still read limits as threat? What supports regulation instead of urgency? How does safety change my relationship to endings? What becomes possible when finitude is held calmly? Finite time is not inherently organizing. Regulation makes it so. Clarity is learned, not guaranteed. And you are the nervous system learning to hold finitude without collapse.